Here's the citation. You also need to take to a state referee and have them verify all the components on this motor and this exhaust system, okay?
Okay.
There'll be some information on this citation. You'll also receive something in the mail.
Okay.
All right? It's no longer correctable in California.
Okay.
Any modification to exhaust, you shall go before a judge, and it's a $1,000 fine.
Okay, I wasn't aware of it.
That changed last month due to the takeovers and some of the street racing.
I get
so unfortunately, you're facing $1,000, buddy, and we'll see you in court. Everything we do here is video cameraed. All right, you guys be careful as you pull away. I recommend fixing it right away, not continuing to drive. We're on a federal grant right now. So there's about a dozen of us working this. We're going to be working this every weekend.
Okay.
And 2 or 3 times during the week sporadically. All because of the fatalities involving cars similar to this. Not saying it was you guys, but you're driving one with the stuff, get it fixed.
Okay.
Otherwise, $1,000 every time. All right, guys, be careful.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Well, probably be afternoon when I post this, but nice little cool morning in Florida this morning. It started off in the 40s. It feels like it's about the 50s right now, but not a cloud in the sky, and it is gorgeous weather. It's no clouds, not much wind. This is pretty great, and I am enjoying this a lot. Perfect day to be out here driving my car. For those that are new to the channel, this is my 2018 Mustang GT. And of course, one of the features I have on it, a lot of people know, is my car has active exhaust. So yes, I can change how loud this exhaust is when I'm driving the car. Of course, that brings me up to the topic for today, and that is California. California has now decided to pass a new exhaust law. Now, California, as most people know, is already the strictest for car regulation to start with. My car is already pretty much illegal in California because of this, and, stock probably. And my truck, it's illegal because I have an illegal cold air intake on it. Most people know I've got a K&N air intake on my daily driver Tacoma. So I can't win in California, but luckily, probably as y'all can see by the tag on the car, I live in Florida where they literally don't give two flying, whatevers about what we do to our cars down here. But I want to make a little bit of a rant talking about why I think this California law truly is unfair and why it needs to go away. Borderline, it's unconstitutional. So, California already has an existing law that states, and someone in California can correct me if this is incorrect, but 95 decibel limit. So, and of course I'm going to put a link down below to the article where I got all this information. But 95 decibels, which realistically is a pretty high limit. There's a lot you can do with 95 decibels. But realistically speaking, a lot of car people want to go louder than that. In fact, a stocked Mustang with active exhaust in full track mode already is pretty much there. So realistically speaking, that's already unfair for a lot of cars with valved exhausts, such as my Mustang. I believe, Mustang, Camaros, Corvettes. Not sure if Dodge gets anything like that yet. They might. I think a lot of German cars are starting to get that, like Mercedes and BMW. And it's only a matter of time before realistically the whole world starts going to that. And the reason being, it's great because you can have a good sounding exhaust factory when you want it, and you can still be within noise ordinances and other things, such as my car when it's in quiet mode. However, California takes it a step further. It's no longer a correctable offense, meaning when you get it, you're fined $1,000, and you can't fight it. And that right there is a bit of a pain, because my car, if I wanted to fight it here, which I've never even had a problem, because again, Florida, if I wanted to fight it, I'll just go start the car up at the police station in quiet mode, and I'll just rev it a couple times. So yeah, it's like there's really just no reason for California's fine. And they're claiming it's to stop street racers. Street racers, you know, they take over the street and they do this full street race. You know, at least the one video that's been going viral, that's what the cop is claiming. However, a lot of people are disagreeing with that. I don't think it really sounds like it's going to stop street racing, because I think there's bigger fish to fry than cars with loud exhaust, because not every car with a loud exhaust is street racing, or every Tacoma with a cold air intake. You know, my truck is so illegal, and it's like, come on, cold air intake does not even add a lot of horsepower. It realistically added maybe 10 horsepower to the truck. I didn't put it on to go street racing. I put it on so the truck would get out of its own way in traffic. So I think California's gonna have a real hard time keeping this law active. And I know a lot of people are probably like, well, you live in Florida, why do you care so much? Because Florida, allegedly, for 2018, there was a similar law that was going to come out. Allegedly, cop cars are going to get started to be fitting with decibel meters. And the problem with that is they were going to go around, you know, do the whole, hey man, your car's illegal, and, you know, give you the tickets and all that. And so that was a rumor. I don't even know if that happened. Again, someone in Florida was a subscriber. Let me know if that's happened to you, if you've been pulled over for that. But allegedly that was going to happen, and I got worried because just how loud my car is. So that was a big fear, like, okay, if California does this and the law sticks, if this law actually sticks, that means other states could start doing it. And of course, if you live in one of these other states where they're notoriously anti-car, that could be a problem. People have been joking online about, does anybody have exhaust for sale in California? I'll sell my stock exhaust to you for $500. So yeah. It's gonna be a bad day. I'm hoping that law gets repealed. I even signed the change.com petition. I'll leave a link below for that. Again, this is like, you know, solidarity in the car community right now. You know, on my behalf here, I'm trying to help you all in California out. So definitely know in the comments section below what you all think about that. What do you think about this law? Is it really unreasonable to do? Or, you know, if you actually support this law. Like I said, I don't think anyone subscribed to this channel would support a no loud exhaust law unless you've got someone in your neighborhood that keeps you up at midnight. But definitely let me know what you think down below. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. More exciting content with this car coming, hopefully soon. But anyway, take care, have a good day.